What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and tonight we're at meet 2 of Halloween weekend. We are out here at a pretty familiar spot. We went to a morning meet, but they threw a night one out at the, I guess, Houston go-kart track. I don't know what it's called, but we got Jordan in the Supercharged 370, me in the Supercharged Rocket Bunny, and we're gonna hang out, check out some of the cars, and enjoy the show, baby. Alright guys, we got the Cherry Blossom brother. Got a Genesis. I don't know, do you know anything about Genesises? That just looks really complicated to me. Then we got this Genesis in the full show build. Out here with the carbon fiber hood, the purple, blue color shift. Some blue racing seats, I really like those, and the white wheels, baby. Alright baby, the whole reason we drove an hour out here from the other show, we got the new BMW 4 Series alongside all of the other BMWs. Let's check if it's just a regular 4 Series or the M4. I'm putting my money that it's just a regular one. Oh, it's a M440i. I don't really know what the whole difference is between all of them, but let me know what you guys think about this. I was kind of skeptical, and I still am, but I keep seeing pictures of like really clean ones with nice wheels, and I don't know. I feel like there's a whole lot of potential here. What do you guys think? The new 4 Series wasn't alone though. We got the older M5 and a couple of M850i's, keeping it good company. It is very, very cold out here. Hopefully this truck guy does not run into the $100,000 BMW. Then we got a really creepy scene right here. We got Chucky and his girlfriend hanging out, making out on the hood of the car. And then we got this crazy thing. My goodness. Oh yeah, he revs so hard the doors shake. VQ versus V6 Camaro rev battle. Who will win? So we have an old Alpina BMW. I've never seen one, but it says B10 3.5/1. If you guys know anything about this car, let me know, because I mean, old school BMWs are pretty dang cool.
And they have a, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Okay, fellas, now we get more of my cup of tea. Got some supercars out here. Got a Chalk GT3 RS, a Gen 5 Viper, beautiful AMG GTR, and an 05 Ford GT. And if I know anything about headlights, I'd say you're gonna like what's coming down the street. Okay guys, I like this. We got the C8 Corvette. I can't really see what color it is yet. It looks just silver. We got the big Wang Gang. I think this might be the one that's wrapped for like the nitrous. That is crazy. Oh yep, it is a nitrous C8 already. That's so crazy. Wrapped by my boys at Renspec. Do we need one of these on the channel, boys? Let me know. Then we got the spooky Mustang, boys. Got the one fast EcoBoost, fastest EcoBoost in Houston, with the crazy wrap. I like that color shift. Then we got the big oof Mustang. I love seeing these guys out at the meets, and today they're sporting their spooky teeth. This dude, I think it's a Civic, shoots big old flames out of that boy right there. There's so many people here that they're like parking in the mud. In the mud. Do we have a bottle? Yes, we have a bottle. So this is the first nitrous C8 to my knowledge in Houston. Cool beans. Alright, I got the yellow banana Z06. Bad boy vets. And the Hellcat. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Yes, we got another C8 also with a big wing. These cars look so good. Oh, I love it, dude. Oh my God. Got the C6 and the C8. Okay, boy. Okay. All right, we're placing a bet. Is this a GT500?
No.
No, siree.
I told you I would.
5-0 Joe. Oh, he can two-step. This guy's two-step hurts my head. I hope he doesn't do it, but I hope he does. Got the Mustang and the Mer. It's Nadim! Woo. Rev battle. Mustang didn't want none, but his is very loud too. I can vouch for that. Got the Mustang gang rolling in. Nadim's going crazy, man. That's mean.
Do it again.
Sheesh! My ears! We got the Conroe police rolling in, and we all know Conroe PD don't play, but he's got the V8 police car, the Caprice, baby. These things are nuts if they were in the right hands. Smash the like button so he burns out on the way out of here. I don't think that's legal, but that's just me. We got a big old truck. Oh my goodness. That thing big. What is this? I don't know what that is. It's Battle of the Trucks. Someone's gonna have to move. We got quite a lot of people over there, so I don't know if Daddy's money's gonna be able to get through.
Fuck you looking at?
Will he hit the fire extinguisher? Oh, 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 it must be right next to it. Oh yeah, baby. Chrome red. Some Tokyo Drift stuff right there, baby. We have a mystery car coming. I think it's a Gallardo. Got the scary faces flashing in there. Oh yeah, that's scary. I like that. Very nice. I'm sure he's got the right spot right there. I like this meat. It's the good combination of supercars, muscle cars, and street cars. Very cool. Woo! The V10, baby. blah 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 blah. Okay, we have spawned a brother in wide body arms. We got the OMG Go FRS. I think with the Rocket Bunny V1 wide body. Same kind of carbon hood as your boys. I love how small these cars are. No other car would have been able to fit in between. Mine just looks a little bit beefier because of that front bumper, but they look so good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This meet was pretty cool. Got to see some cars, got to see some flames, had a good old time. It's very cold now. We're gonna go eat, so I hope you guys had a happy Halloween. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.